Welcome to the Best Books Club, where we bring you insightful and life-changing ideas from some of the world's best authors. Today, we're diving into the transformative book, The Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins. Let's explore how this simple yet profound idea can change your life. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Let Them Theory? In this book, Mel Robbins explains a concept that's both liberating and empowering. The essence of the theory is simple: let people do what they're going to do. Instead of trying to control, resist, or micromanage others' actions, simply say, let them. This doesn't mean you're giving up or being passive. Rather, it's about recognizing that you cannot control others, only your reactions to them. By embracing this mindset, you free yourself from unnecessary stress and create more peace in your life. Robbins shares that this theory is rooted in 3 pillars. Control, understanding what is and isn't in your control. Boundaries, setting clear limits without imposing them on others. Self-empowerment, redirecting your energy towards your own growth and happiness. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but it's easier said than done. And you're right. Mel Robbins breaks down why we find it so difficult to let people be themselves. One big reason is our deep-seated need for control. Humans crave predictability. When someone's actions threaten our sense of stability, like a friend canceling plans or a coworker behaving poorly, our instinct is to intervene or fix the situation. But in trying to control others, we often end up feeling frustrated and powerless. Robbins shares a relatable example of this. Imagine you're hosting a family dinner, and a relative shows up late. Your immediate response might be to scold them or feel annoyed. But what if you just said, let them be late? By doing so, you're choosing peace over conflict and saving your energy for what truly matters, enjoying dinner with everyone else. Doesn't that feel lighter already? Alright, let's get practical. How do you apply the let them theory in your everyday life? Robbins provides actionable advice for different scenarios. In relationships, if your partner forgets an anniversary or leaves their socks on the floor, instead of nagging, try saying, let them forget. Let them leave their socks. This doesn't mean you tolerate everything. It means you're choosing your battles and focusing on the bigger picture. At work, if a colleague constantly interrupts you in meetings, instead of getting irritated, let them interrupt. Use your energy to refine your own communication or strategies to address the issue professionally. With strangers, if someone cuts you off in traffic or a cashier is rude, let them be. Their actions aren't about you. With yourself, perhaps the hardest application of all, letting yourself be imperfect. Missed a workout? Ate the extra slice of cake? Let yourself be human. By now, you might be wondering, what do I gain from adopting this mindset? The benefits are profound. Emotional freedom. You stop carrying the burden of others' actions and focus on your own well-being. Improved relationships. When you let people be themselves, they feel less judged and more accepted. This can strengthen your connections. Inner peace. Letting go of unnecessary conflicts creates a calmer, happier you. Robbins highlights that the let them theory isn't about being passive or complacent. It's about reclaiming your power by focusing on what truly matters, your own growth and happiness. Throughout the book, Robbins shares stories of people who transformed their lives using this theory. One memorable story is about a mother who stopped micromanaging her teenage daughter's decisions. By saying, let her make mistakes, she not only reduced household tension but also helped her daughter become more responsible. Another story is about a business owner who learned to let his employees handle minor mistakes instead of stepping in constantly. The result? A more empowered team and less stress for him. Of course, adopting the let them theory isn't always easy. There will be moments when you feel the urge to intervene. Robbins acknowledges this and provides strategies to overcome these challenges. Pause and breathe. When you feel triggered, take a deep breath and remind yourself, let them. Ask yourself, is this worth my energy? Will this matter a year from now? Practice gratitude, focus on what's going well instead of fixating on others' flaws. As we wrap up, here's the beauty of the let them theory. It's not about giving up on people or tolerating bad behavior. It's about shifting your focus from controlling others to controlling your reactions. By doing so, you create space for peace, growth, and joy. So, the next time someone does something that irritates or surprises you, try saying, let them. You might just find it's the most freeing thing you've ever done. Thank you for joining us at the Best Books Club. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more insights from life-changing books. See you next time, and remember, let them, and let yourself thrive.